Hey guys, let me show you how to make this delicious vegan focaccia recipe. First of all, in a large mixing bowl, you want to add 4 cups of all-purpose unbleached organic flour, then 2 teaspoons of cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Mix that together. Add 2 teaspoons and a quarter of Herbamare. Mix that, and then you can add your liquids. So I'm using warm water. I added 1 cup and 3/4 of water, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can go a little bit more generous on the oil if you want. I love the moistness of focaccia bread. So then you're mixing around, kneading it in the bowl, and you can transfer it to the counter to make it easier and to form a nice ball of dough. You want to do this for a few minutes. It'll become softer as you go. I'm just folding it onto itself. Then you're going to want to let this rise in a warm spot for about 45 minutes to an hour. And I used a bowl, put a bit of olive oil in the bottom so it won't stick. And then I covered it and I let it rise for about an hour. Then you want to come back to it. It will have doubled in size almost. And then you just want to basically knead it a little bit or spread it out into the shape that you want for your focaccia bread. It's a little bit stickier, it's normal. I'm adding a bit more flour, rolling it out. It doesn't have to be a perfect shape. It's kind of like pizza dough, basically. About 1/2 inch in thickness. Okay, and now the trick is to let it rise another 15 minutes before cooking. So by preheating my oven, by the time that's ready, my dough will be fine. And then I can prep it by adding whatever I want on top. So you can make it all dressed, really simple, just some Herbamare and olive oil. You can add some veggies. So today I made some holes with my fingers so the oil will go into the holes. Added some fresh cherry tomatoes, some raw onions, and then of course a little bit of seasoning. So I'm using the Herbamare and also some more dried basil. You could use some rosemary, thyme, whatever herbs you like. And there you go, it's ready to go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And here it is, all cooked and ready. I added some fresh basil, a little bit more olive oil, and a dash of Herbamare. And then you're ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.